Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this DTI tutorial, I'm going to serve up a stunning eye scatter inspired look that's full of sparkle, poise, and pure elegance. So this look is perfect for giving eyes princess energy. If you want to know how to create the perfect skater chic outfits, you can just follow my steps in here. So first, let's do the hair. I'm going to go to the wavy hair category, then put on this hair, and you can choose the color that you prefer and combine it with this updo hair. This one is the same color. That's it for the hair. Now to make the outfit, first you can go to the women sections and put on this long sleeves at the top and color it white, and then I'm going to just make it light silk combined with this short in the same color. Then I'm going to put on the gloves, make it short but still use the fur. Don't forget to also change the material. Now let's go put on the shoe. So for the shoe, I'm going to wear this boots, color it all white for the first and the second preview, make it white, and for the third one and the last one, I'm going to use this blue color and combine it with this and also make it look higher, and also this one. And for the bottom, I'm going to wear this skirt in white color, light silk. And for the accessory, I'm going to put on these earmuffs. And last one, you can go to the dressing room in here and put on this necklace. Change the color into white. And that's it. So this is the final look of eye scatter inspired look in DTI. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.